Past year's been great for me. It's been my head obviously has been a transformation. I'm sure when you saw my video from 13 months ago, it looked totally different. This is one of the shortest haircuts I've had in years. I actually got a 4 last week on the back of my head, and you can't see any line back there. Without the surgery, I wouldn't have been able to have a haircut like this and actually have it look good. Obviously with the wedding comes the wedding pictures, and those things last forever. And I wanted to make sure that I look good in those pictures that I was going to have for the rest of my life. A full head of hair, when you see the pictures of me dancing, the candid shots, the back of my head, there's no bald spot back there. And actually my brother, who had his surgery here also with Dr. Bolton about a month or so before I did, both of us had a nice full thick head of hair. He walked me down the aisle, so it was great having us there, able to share that together. Thank you guys very much. Still getting follow-up phone calls. Definitely impressed, and I endorse Dr. Bolton and his whole staff, the whole office.
When did you first start noticing your hair loss?
Probably 5-6 years ago.
A little bit of confidence level goes down. He's got a very young, vibrant personality. A little nervous, but excited. I think it's more
comfort when I came into here, and confidence that if I was going to spend this kind of money.
Well, I think a lot of it's self-confidence. It's just nice to see him just not even think.
Just go to one place if you're looking. I looked at 3 along. I did my homework on the internet. I wouldn't just sign up the first place I went.
Well, I chose Dr. Bolton because I always heard he was the best. I watched his videos, I saw his website, I saw proof that it was amazing. I saw it in real life that it was amazing. My hairstylist looked amazing. Aspects about it, there was always good, positive thinking, and 4 months paid tens of thousands of more dollars for this. It was quick, in and out, 4 hours, went home, didn't have much pain. Oh, my results are just hands down amazing. I can't even tell. I would tell anybody the first day they came in here, pay the money and do it. Promise you will not lose a dime. But just listen to all the directions. This changes my life by a lot. I think I have a ton more confidence. I had confidence before, but I think he's amazing. I think what he does is art, and it's crazy. This one lady, one of my friend's sister's a hairstylist, and she's like, "Oh, let me look in your head." I was like, "Okay." She looks in, I'm like, "Try to find it. You won't even find it if you finally give me $5.
Yeah.
She couldn't find it. She couldn't find it. And she's like, "No way, this is ridiculous." And I was like, "Yeah."
That's
she was a hairstylist. She's never seen this before. Dr. Bolton, thank you so much for giving my hair back after 4 months, and I can't wait to see a year. Thank you.
Well, I was 15 when I first started losing my hair. By 17, it was almost completely gone. I decided to finally have the procedure because the hair loss was happening so fast. The people here, the process was so much faster than the other one. I don't have to worry about looking a certain way before I don't have to worry about constantly having to hide it. Or I would definitely recommend Dr. Bolton to others because, comparatively speaking, he definitely knows what he's doing. Well, it has been very reassuring. It's been very nice. I feel so much better on myself now if it wasn't for you, so thank you.
I was really able to strategically put the amount of hairs in the right place. I couldn't have been more happier once I saw that. Woke up, it was tender back there, didn't hurt. I could move my head from side to side, and it was great. The results alone doesn't compare to the results that Dr. Bolton gave me. Dr. Bolton in one session probably doubled what those 2 surgeries did. Now I feel like that it is possible for me to get my hair back in its entirety, so I'm excited about that. Dr. Bolton, thank you so much for taking the time. You and the staff have been really gracious with me and just being kind and caring and nurturing in this whole process. I really thank you and the staff, and thank you so much.